Hi, this is Rich Bruno. I'm an executive coach and speaker, and my mission is to help experienced leaders and emerging leaders advance their leadership skills. I can do this by applying my own practical experience as a 30-year supply chain leader who's focused on talent management and development and built many teams over a long period of time across 3 organizations. I will couple that with my entrepreneurial experience, growing a small business from scratch, as well as my certification as a John Maxwell coach, speaker, and trainer. I can help you to become the leader that you would want to follow, that inspiring, engaging leader who others will come to learn to trust and follow. I can give you my experiences through leadership training and workshops to help you to become an even more effective leader. So I'm going to ask you to go to my link tree, Rich Bruno Consulting, and click on that, set up an appointment with me so we can discuss different ways that we can deliver leadership training and advance your team and your leadership experiences.